toe forward, slap it back. Forward, slap it back. Forward, slap it back. Okay, but in the mountain goat, we're going to go across our body. So we're going to go forward, slap it to the front, forward, slap it to the back. So when you're at home, practice that. Okay, from here, well, when you do that, you do a little chug. So forward, chug, forward, chug. Okay, slap, slap, chug, slap, slap, chug, slap, slap, chug, slap, slap, chug. From here, you have to do two toes. Which foot seems likely to do the toe? The one that's up, because you can't really go. Okay, so you're here, just hit it. Toe, toe. Shuffle, chug, shuffle, chug. Toe, toe. Okay, to end the mountain goat, you do a popcorn to the back. And keep going in a circle to the front. Okay, that is the mountain goat. So let's do it one time. Ready, go.